Hey, good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. As you guys know, we are grow bag slash container gardening. If you didn't know that, please go back and watch the previous videos. Anyway, we wanted to give you guys an update on what is going on. We did plant from seeds and some were transplanted, like our tomatoes, bell peppers, and squash. Well, we have seen a few challenges with the grow bag gardening that I'm sure most gardeners probably experience, like pests. So we have some kind of bugs that's eating. They're green. They look like green little caterpillars. Is that how you call them? What them things called? Caterpillar?
Yeah.
And it's eating. And I think they've laid eggs in here, y'all. If anybody knows what they are, I have some neem oil. You see these eggs that they've laid in there? I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, right down there. You see those green little eggs right there? Okay. I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these. They look like they may be okay to come up. I'm gonna pull one up. Oh, no, they're not ready. They tiny. See there? They too little. But I'm gonna leave the rest of them in the ground to keep growing, but I really hate because they have just completely demolished. Look at my turnips. Demolished the turnips. So my son was picking out all of the little worm. I don't know what they are. They look like little green worms. But you see inside of the dirt is so many eggs. So if anybody out there knows what to do, please let us know. And here's the update on the garden. Everything is actually looking pretty good. My potatoes are looking good over there. Some stuff is still coming up. The bell peppers and tomatoes are doing excellent. The cucumbers back there are growing really well. The peas are growing really well. Now, mind you guys, a lot of these things came from seeds, so I'm very proud that it's coming up the way that it is. We have squash growing. We actually have squash on the plants. I'm hoping I don't have to replant these, that it's big enough. Well, let me just let you guys see that we already have several on there. I'm going to take off the male flowers and pollinate these just to make sure that they grow to maturity, because, you know, I don't know, but I'm kind of a new gardener, y'all, so we haven't did this grow bag garden but 1 year, and so this is new for us and we're trying. So if anybody out there who gardens has any suggestions, please let us know. The beets are doing pretty good and I don't see any of those little worms. So I was checking on this okra and I see a couple of holes here. Not sure what ate that, but I got some where is it? Where's the stuff? Where's that oil? The neem oil. Well, I don't know what I did with it, but I got some neem oil, y'all. And I'm hoping that takes care of the problem. But this is an update on our grow bag garden. We are still planting stuff. My beans back there, wax beans, I think it's golden wax, yellow wax, green beans, asparagus beans, they're all doing really, really well. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, that's the update for now, y'all. Oh, my corn is looking a little, you know, I don't know. It's surviving, so we're gonna pray that it all does well. The peppers are thriving. Yeah, so, you know, we're gonna keep at it. The sweet banana peppers look a little bit sick, you see it? But everything is still promising. So yeah, but if you guys have any idea what these little green things are called and what I should do about them, please let me know. Okay? Alright, love y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Ballards by Design. Bye.